face of the picture tube. The primary function of the damper circuit is to provide the B+ boost voltage, and it is responsible for the deflection on the left side of the raster being produced on the screen. The deflection yoke is basically an electromagnet made up of coils of wire. The deflection yoke will be located on the neck of the picture tube. As current is passed through the deflection coils, a magnetic field will be produced inside the neck of the picture tube. This magnetic field is used to control the horizontal and vertical scanning sequences of the electron beams being generated by the color guns at the end of the picture tube. As you can start to see, the deflection yoke is responsible for both the horizontal and vertical scans being produced as a raster on the picture tube. Now let's examine two more stages used in the deflection portion of the color television receiver. These are the pincushion circuit and the convergence circuit. When the larger picture tube became popular, the top, bottom, left, and right sides of the picture tube would tend to bow inward toward the center of the picture tube screen. This defect was known as pincushioning. To overcome this defect, the pincushion circuit became necessary. The pincushion circuit automatically increases the horizontal width and vertical size of the raster in the affected regions to overcome this defect. The pincushion circuit accomplishes this by modulating the amplitude of the horizontal deflection current and by forcing the vertical deflection current to pulsate in amplitude at the horizontal scanning rate. The convergence circuit is used to assure that the three electron beams being produced by the three color guns in the neck of the picture tube are properly aligned so that all three beams strike the exact same place over the entire face of the tube. There are normally 12 adjustments located on the convergence board. We will now pause for a short review of the material just discussed. The vertical deflection output amplifier stage performs two primary functions. First, it generates a sawtooth waveform of sufficient power to drive the vertical deflection yoke. Second, it provides retrace blanking pulses and timing pulses for the convergence and pincushion sections. The horizontal output amplifier stage is electrically connected to many of the various stages of the color television receiver. It has signals going to and from the high voltage hold down, regulator, and damper stages. It also receives a signal from the horizontal auto frequency control stage. This stage also supplies signals to the pincushion, convergence, deflection yoke, high voltage rectifier, focus rectifier, horizontal blanking amp, color killer, burst amp, and sync separator stages. This is a very crucial stage in the color television receiver. The horizontal oscillator AFC stage is responsible for comparing the inputted horizontal sync pulse with the signal being generated within the oscillator stage. The output of the oscillator stage is then fed into the horizontal output amplifier section. The horizontal blanking amplifier stage is used to disable the video output and color amplifier stages during the horizontal retrace intervals. The deflection yoke is made up of coils of wire and is located on the neck of the picture tube. Its primary function is to control the electron beams being emitted by the color guns to ensure a proper scanning sequence on the face of the picture tube. The pincushion circuit is used to overcome a problem called pincushioning. Pincushioning is when the top, bottom, left, and right sides of the picture bow inward toward the center of the screen. The pincushion circuit increases the horizontal width and vertical size of the picture to overcome this defect. The convergence circuit is used to properly align the three color guns so they all strike the same part of the interface